everybody, it's Tutor Cheetah here, and today in this video I'm going to explain about rocks and its type. So here are some parts we are going to study. We are going to study about the rocks, its types, and additionally we are going to study about surface mining and subsurface mining along with its types. So get ready, we are going to study with lots of fun and with the clear concept. Let's get started. And by the way, with the help of presentation, I will also explain to you with the additional topics. So let's get started. So let's start with the first and foremost topic. What is rock? So basically, if we talk about rocks, so you guys get some picture like this, and this. But basically, what is the proper definition of it? The proper definition of it is aggregation of minerals are called rocks. Means it contains the numerous types of minerals. Through this presentation, you will understand the rocks and also its types.
So basically, before starting anything, first let's see the basic definition of it. What's the basic definition of the rocks? When we came to know about the rocks, there are so many pictures of it, and you can see the left side, the picture of the rock. But basically what it is, it's a solid collection of mineral grains that grow and become cemented together. And the small rocks are called pebbles, and every rock is made up of one or more minerals. On the other hand, you can say that it's an aggregation or collection of minerals. Geologists, those who made a research on geography, they classify on the basis of the different textures, size and types. So they are basically of three types. These rocks are classified into three types, that is the igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. We will see different types of rocks and how they are made. So first, the igneous rock. The igneous, and this is the first rocks. What is written? Igneous rock forms in the magma, cooled and crystallizes either volcano or on the surface of the earth, or when melted the rock is still inside the crust. All magma develops underground in the lower crust of the mantle because of the intense heat inside it. It forms from the solidification of magma, which is a hot temperature is 600 to 1300 degrees Celsius. In short, igneous rocks are made from magma. When a volcano erupts, so the magma reaches the surface of the earth, that is called lava, and when it cools or solidifies, they form an igneous rocks. So the example of it is in granite. Here it is the picture of the granite. A granite is a simple example of an igneous rocks. Let's see the second type of rocks, that is the sedimentary rocks. Minerals naturally occur in crystalline solid that cannot be physically broken down into smaller components. It carries in the form of sediments. What are these sedimentary rocks? The sedimentary rocks, first it changes into the sediments of the pre-existing rocks, and through the river or some glaciers, they form together, they stick together, cemented together, form a sedimentary rocks. What are these examples? The huge example: the chalk, limestone, the sandstone, the coal, see here are some examples of it. You can see the picture. So here are a few examples of the sedimentary rocks. Now the third and the last classification of rocks, that is metamorphic rocks. What is written in over here? Metamorphic rocks started out as some other type of rock, but have been substantially changed from their original igneous sedimentary or earlier. Metamorphic rocks form when rocks are subjected to heat, high pressure, hot mineralized fluid, or commonly some combination of these factors. So, in short, what is saying that metamorphic rocks are made from the igneous, sedimentary, or earlier metamorphic rocks. They are made due to high heat, high pressure, and some common combination of it. it is classified of metamorphic rock when the minerals or diamonds are not broken or melted. It is still inside the rocks. So the example is marble. Do you know that marble also used to be a part of the sedimentary rocks? So, in marble can we observe an example of the metamorphic rock?
After we came to know about the rocks and its different types, the next is mining. What is mining? What is minerals? What is surface mining? What is subsurface mining? We will continue move. But let's see what is mining and what is mineral first. Minerals basically are natural occurring compounds found in the surface rock, and mining is when we dug out to extract the minerals. That is called mining, and the second term for this is extraction. So it has a process for mining. One is surface and one is subsurface. Surface is for the upper surface of the earth, whereas subsurface you have to dig underground. So here was the summary, but if you see my presentation once again, you will get to know the deep about the what is minerals and what is mining.
The topic that is mining. After we have seen about the rocks and its types, first now it's sure that it will be a mine for its own ores, because what we have seen in the definition of rocks, that is aggregation of minerals. It's a collection of minerals. So mining is done. Mining is the process of extracting useful materials from earth. Some example of it are coal, gold, or iron ore. Iron ore is a material where iron is produced. So, what is saying that mining means extraction? Extraction of what? Extraction of useful materials such as coal for electricity production, and gold for making jewelry, iron for making doors and staircase and etc. We have seen that what mining exactly is. Now let's see what exactly meaning of mining. As we have seen in the mining says that extraction of minerals are for mining. What do you know exactly? Here its definition is mineral is naturally occurring crystalline solid that cannot be physically broken down into smaller components. So it's a occurring crystalline or occurring compound containing inorganic substances. They are also called the building blocks of rock, but they cannot be physically broken down into smaller components. So here was the definition of minerals. In the next, we are going to see about the types of.
I have told you previously that the methods of mining, that is surface and subsurface mining. So surface mining includes open cast and strip mining, whereas subsurface mining includes deep and shaft mining. So you have seen in the subsurface there are two types, that is deep and shaft. Means you have to dug deep inside the earth's surface, whereas surface mining is not required. So we will see the process how surface mining is done. So through this presentation you will understand that how surface mining is done or conducted. After seeing what is mining and minerals, let's start the very first type of mining, that is surface mining. What is surface mining? Actually, surface mining means we dug out not deep inside from the earth but from the surface of the earth. Let's see the steps how these mines are carried out. For the first step is it is carried out when a mineral deposit is recorded near the surface below worthless material. Here worthless material is or ore's burden because it's worthless and it's none for use. Mines are carefully dug onto different benches at a specific angle so that the materials or the materials could be taken out. And the third process is road has to be made during digging process to allow removal of the deposit. Yes, it is so that the important minerals can be taken out. Now the second type of mining, that is the subsurface mining. Subsurface mining, here we need to dug over deep under the earth's surface. So here are the steps we can, subsurface mining are being conducted. Sinking vertical shaft down to rock containing minerals. Horizontal tunnels are dug down to the mineral layers. The used rock are boxed from the miners and pick on the surface, and the last is mine is transported. Through all of this, the rocks and its types, we have studied about the surface mining, studied about the surface mining. This, thank you guys for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe with it, and let's go.